The way we seek information is undergoing a significant shift. For years, Google Search has been the dominant portal to the vast expanse of the internet. It presents lists of links and users then sift through these links. This process can be time-consuming and often leads to fragmented attention. Perplexity AI offers a different approach to information retrieval. It aims to provide direct answers, and these answers are generated by artificial intelligence. Crucially, Perplexity also provides sources for its information. Instead of just a list of potential websites, you receive a synthesized response that directly addresses your query. This method saves valuable time and reduces the cognitive load associated with traditional search methods. Google primarily acts as an index, a directory of web pages. Perplexity, however, functions more like a research assistant. It reads, synthesizes, and then presents information. This fundamental difference changes the search experience. Traditional search engines often present a wall of blue links. Users must click, scan, and evaluate each one. This process is inherently inefficient and fragments our attention. Perplexity bypasses much of this. It processes your query and then constructs a coherent answer. This answer is presented in a clear, readable format, directly addressing what you asked for without unnecessary detours. Perplexity's interface is designed for clarity. It avoids the clutter of advertisements that often crowd traditional search results. The focus is solely on your question and the AI-generated answer. Sources are clearly listed, often numbered within the text itself, allowing for quick verification. This streamlined presentation helps maintain concentration and supports a more linear thought process. The AI model behind Perplexity is trained to understand context and nuance. One of Perplexity's most compelling use cases is deep research. This is true for academics, students, and professionals. Conducting thorough research traditionally involves many hours spent identifying, accessing, and evaluating sources. Perplexity can significantly accelerate this initial phase by providing a well-referenced overview of a topic. This overview can serve as an excellent starting point, helping to quickly understand the main concepts and identify key sources for further investigation. The citation capability is central to Perplexity's utility in research. Every significant claim in an AI-generated answer is typically linked to its source. In today's information-saturated world, the ability to quickly grasp the essence of a document is crucial. Perplexity offers powerful summarization capabilities. You can ask it to summarize lengthy articles, web pages, or even uploaded documents. This is incredibly useful for busy professionals. It helps them stay informed without dedicating hours to reading. Students can use it to get an overview of assigned readings. This allows them to focus on the most critical sections, making study time more productive. Perplexity aims to extract the key arguments and salient points. It presents them in a concise and understandable manner. This means you get a meaningful overview, not just a random collection of sentences. The ability to quickly understand the core message allows for more efficient decision-making. Consider the scenario of needing to understand a new industry trend. Instead of wading through multiple news articles and reports, Perplexity can provide a consolidated summary. This efficiency is vital for maintaining a competitive edge. It also frees up cognitive resources for higher-level thinking and strategic planning. While the free version of Perplexity offers substantial capabilities, Perplexity Pro unlocks further power. These Pro features are designed for users who require more advanced tools for their research and information processing needs. One of the standout Pro features is the ability to upload files. This includes PDFs, text documents, and other formats. Once uploaded, you can ask Perplexity questions about the document's content. It can summarize it, extract key information, or help you analyze complex material more effectively. Another significant advantage of Perplexity Pro is enhanced access to a wider range of sources. This includes more comprehensive access to academic journals and scholarly databases. For serious researchers, students engaged in advanced studies, or analysts needing deep dives into specific subjects, this is a critical feature. The Pro version also typically offers a higher number of Copilot uses. Copilot is an interactive AI assistant that guides your search. It helps refine your queries for more precise results. Perplexity is not just a tool for casual browsing, it is particularly well suited for individuals whose work or studies demand focused inquiry and reliable information. Students at all levels stand to benefit immensely. From understanding complex theories for an undergraduate essay to conducting literature reviews for postgraduate research, Perplexity offers a powerful assistant. Content creators such as writers, journalists, and marketers also find significant value in Perplexity. They constantly need to research new topics, verify facts, and generate ideas. Perplexity can accelerate this process dramatically. Analysts, whether in business, finance, or policy, require accurate and timely information to make informed decisions. Perplexity can help them quickly get up to speed on new developments. The ability to ask specific questions and get sourced answers is crucial for their work. Ultimately, anyone who values their time and the quality of their information can benefit from Perplexity. It caters to those who seek to engage in deep work. The digital age has brought us unprecedented access to information. However, this access often comes at the cost of focus. Traditional search methods can lead to distraction and shallow engagement. Perplexity AI offers a compelling alternative. It is designed to provide direct AI-generated answers. These answers are supported by clear citations. This approach fundamentally changes how we interact with information. Perplexity's unique features, such as its synthesized responses and verifiable sources, make it an invaluable asset. Use cases like deep research, article summarization, and focused inquiry are significantly enhanced. The Pro features further elevate its utility. File uploads allow for analysis of specific documents. Enhanced access to academic sources ensures greater depth and credibility for serious research. In essence, Perplexity is more than just a new search engine.